Hey everyone, welcome back to English Talk Time.
Today's episode is kind of futuristic.
Yep, we're talking about artificial intelligence and how it's helping people learn English faster than ever before.
Wait, you mean robots are teaching English now?
Sort of. Let's explain.
Okay, Emma, I hear people say AI this, AI that, but what exactly is it doing in English learning?
Good question. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's technology that learns from us. In language learning, it can listen to how we speak, correct our grammar, suggest better words.
Whoa, so like apps can talk to you?
Exactly. Tools like ChatGPT, Duolingo, Elsa Speak, and more are using AI to act like smart teachers, available 24/7.
All right, I'm curious. What can I actually do today with AI?
Here's the list. Practice speaking, chat with AI bots in English. Pronunciation help, Elsa Speak tells you how native you sound. Grammar check, Grammarly corrects and explains your writing. Vocabulary booster, some AI apps recommend words you need based on your level.
Wait. It personalizes everything?
Yep, it learns how you speak and what you need. Super smart.
Sounds amazing, but does AI replace teachers?
No way. It supports them. AI is great for practice and feedback, but humans are still better for deep conversations, motivation, and emotions.
Got it. So use both.
Exactly. Use AI for daily practice and combine it with real-life chats, videos, or even English classes.
Okay, I'm officially impressed. I might try chatting with an AI tonight.
Do it. Just say, "Hi, I want to practice English," and see where it goes.
Awesome. Thanks, Emma.
And thank you for listening to English Talk Time. See you next episode.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.